Alrighty folks, here I am out in the driveway. I have my Milwaukee M12 right angle impact driver with my extension on there. What I'm going to use this today is I'm changing the air filter on my 2019 Jetta. See if I can get it down here. Right there you see the right here is the air cleaner box. I got my bit right here, and I'm just going to remove the screws. It appears I might have them all, and it just lifts off like that. And then grab the air filter out. Can here. There we go. There's the old one. Here's the new one, and it is a Wix filter. Tucked in there. Make sure it's seated in there. Make sure that's seated on there. Flip it back into the on position there. Pull it down. Do the cross pattern. There. And there you have it, folks. That's how you install air filter on a 2019 VW Jetta.